Here is a black pepper plant that I wanted to show you all. Well, this video is not about black pepper or black pepper plant. It's about Kola Khar, which is prepared by drying the outer skin of this special variety of banana. This is called as Athya kol or Bhim kol. It comes with a lot of seeds. To prepare khar in an old unused utensil, I am using some coir or husk of coconut. This is required to be added so that everything can be burnt well. After eating the bananas, you need to let the outer skin dry. We kept them outside for about 2-3 months and they have dried completely. So we decided to prepare khar today. Add the coir, the outer skin of bananas, and allow them to burn. I'm using this hand fan just to ensure they burn well from the inside out. Once they burn properly, leave it like that. And in the evening, after about 5-6 hours, this is how it looks. We basically need the ashes in order to prepare the khar. This can be prepared in larger quantities as well, and the dried powder or the dried ashes can even be stored in an airtight container for months altogether. Here we are storing half of the ashes in a container. In fact, it's better if you can store the dried ashes for 5-6 months and after that you use it. For the remaining half, we are adding the required quantity of water and will give this a good mix. Once it mixes well, cover it and keep it aside overnight. Next day, which is about 8 to 9 hours later, here is how it looks. And that's time to strain it. With the help of a strainer, just strain out the rough pieces. We need to use the liquid for the purpose of cooking. We'll add little more water from here in the container to take out the residue. Mix everything well and strain it for another time. There is still something left in the container. So strain out that as well. Whatever is left in the strainer, we need to discard it. Transfer the water in an airtight glass container and you can use this for months altogether. That's all for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.